Now, besides the menu bar, we also got two toolbars by default, which is the lateral toolbar and which is the top toolbar. Now, the top toolbar has options like Ctrl-Z, Ctrl-Y to undo changes, to redo changes. We get options like, for example, to pick up parameters, to inject those parameters into other objects. We got a bunch of options about the use of guidelines, about the use of automatic guidelines or snap points or options in order to configure or to manage or snap guides. We also have some options, for example, related to the use of coordinates, related to the use of grids in order to configure the snaps to grids, the construction grid display. We also got options in order to manage or edit in plane display. If we want, for example, to model something in the horizontal plane, or if we want to model something in the vertical plane, we can also review all these options in order to manage our work plane. We also got many options which we are going to be covering little by little in the upcoming lessons. But one option you might want to check out is this button over here. Just click this icon over here, which is called measure. You can also press, for example, the M key in your keyboard in order to activate this useful tool. And when you activate this tool, like for example, if I go over here to my 2D view and press the measure tool, you can use this to get the measurement of your elements, and you can even, for example, get the measurement of areas. You also get the cumulative distance, which is basically the perimeter that you are measuring. For example, if I select once again this tool and click over here, click over here, click over here, and hover my mouse over here, it will tell me that my perimeter for this particular polygon is about 7,000 millimeters, okay? The measure tool also works in 3D, which is quite great because you can, for example, if you got one element, either way it's a wall or a slab, or for example you got a beam and you just want to get the height of this element, you can use this tool. For example, you can click over here, you click over here, and it will tell you directly which is the height of this element. Besides this, you get many other options which we are going to cover little by little in the upcoming lessons.